Last year, I got laid off of my job of 11 years. And I don't care how strong you are. I don't care how tough you are. When you get that call, it's like the floor falls out from under you. And I'm like, yo, I got responsibilities. I got bills. I got people counting on me. And it's like everything just ended. But you know what's wild? Getting laid off was probably the best thing that ever happened to me because I was forced into a world to where now I'm making $900 per sale. My first 6 months of digital marketing, I made over $32,000. So by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how it happened, give you the real blueprint on how you can actually make daily pay and a daily income online with none of the fluff, none of the bullshit. Let's get into it. So let me take you back. I worked at a company called FIS for 11 years. 6 of those years, I was in compliance. So, it's the type of job that they say, hey, that society says that you should be proud of and you should be happy to have. You know what I'm saying? That you try to get out of school, it's a good income, solid, all of that, right? And in October, I get that call and they said them words. They said, hey, Mr. Lark, we making some changes. Your role's been eliminated, right? And so now I'm like, yo, what do I even do now, right? And so in April, my severance ran out. I'm sitting there driving Uber, just trying to survive. And yo, at the end of the day, like that was rock bottom for me. That was like, okay, ain't no company guarantee, ain't no job secure. And like, even though I knew they was doing layoffs, it's still like when it happens to you, you can't believe it. You know what I'm saying? You like, yo, it ain't gonna happen to me. You know what I'm saying? And so that's when I knew like, yo, I had to do something because these companies do not give two damns about you. They don't care what happens to you, what happens to your family, the people you got to take care of. All they really care about is your bottom line. So I actually had to find something different. I always heard about people making money online, right? And in my mind, I'm like, okay, these are gurus. You got to have like 100,000 followers. You know what I'm saying? Like it seemed unattainable for me. Like it didn't seem realistic, even though I seen people doing it. But it's like, okay, how long is it going to actually take me to do this? You know what I'm saying? I started seeing regular, everyday people making, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000. I'm like, all right, hold on. Let me try this for real. And yo, I started following this blueprint, and literally, in my first 6 months, I made $32,000. So that, not $1 million. You know what I'm saying? Not $100,000. Nothing crazy, but it was more money than I had ever made on the side in my life. And the crazy part was, it came from learning one skill. Learning how to promote digital products, learning how to build simple funnels, learning how to automate a business, and learning how to create content so that I could get paid in my sleep through automations. And it started by learning how to create a system that literally worked when I sleep. So then I started having $900 days, 300. So then I started having $300 days, $600 days, then $900 days. And I'm literally just doing what this thing is telling me to do every single day around a 2-hour workday. Like, and then I realized something, right? The internet don't care about your degree. It don't care about your past. It pays you for your skill set. So people see the $900 a day thing and think it's low. But nah, it's not low at all. It just comes from mindset, comes from discipline, and it comes from never quitting. Like when I'm sitting there driving Uber, you know what I'm saying, just for groceries, you know what I'm saying? Like I could have quit right then and there. You know what I'm saying? But I just kept telling myself, grind or starve, grind or starve, grind or starve. That became my missing message. You know what I'm saying? Like just you either gonna grind or you gonna starve out here. You know what I'm saying? And when you single and when you got kids that are in college and that need stuff, like ain't no quitting because quitting don't pay the bills, period. So my brand, Mr. Grind or Starve, like it's not just a slogan. It's about showing people how to do something that's bigger than yourself, right? How to actually leave a legacy. You know what I'm saying? How to never give up. Like, and I'm figuring like, listen, if I can go from laid off, not have no experience doing this and make 32 grand in 6 months, then other people can do it too. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes people just need that push. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes people just need to see somebody like themselves, somebody that may have went through the same thing that they're going through, and boom, you know what I'm saying? And I can be that inspiration. So I share this program and I share it with everybody because yo, it literally changed my life. Like it changed my location. When I first started doing this, I was in a 1-bedroom apartment in Jacksonville because I had just got out of a divorce on top of everything else, right? So it it literally changed my life. And so I share it and I'm sharing it with you guys so it can maybe change yours too. So let me give y'all the blueprint. Like here's exactly what I did to make that $32,000, right? I learned one high income skill, and that was marketing. Not 10, not all of them, just one skill. Two, I found a proven system that's already working, right? It's one, it didn't require products. It didn't require me begging people. It didn't require recruiting. It didn't require multi-level marketing. Just a simple proven system that worked, that was already working. And I found this system, which I learned that I can actually resell digital products for 100% profit. This program came with an already automated system, right? So it came with a funnel that I can lead people to. It came with training on how I create content, how I lead people to that funnel and to my automations. I don't have to bother my friends and family. I don't have to beg people. I don't have to recruit people. I simply share this information and my automations do all the selling and telling for me. It's that simple. I say I stayed consistent even when things were slow. And like, don't get it twisted. Most people quit after 30 days. I didn't. That's it. And then 5, I reinvested in myself. So through my training, I started this YouTube channel. I grew a following on TikTok first. I had 0 followers. Now I got over 20,000 followers on TikTok. And I just keep growing, right? And so now I'm starting this YouTube channel. Y'all, I don't got any subscribers. I got 26 subscribers on this channel, right? But it all comes down to starting to keep it going forward, right? So I did my thing on TikTok, which the program taught me how to do. And now I'm coming over here to YouTube and doing long form videos. Like it's not that hard, y'all, but you take one step at a time, small digestible steps, and you'll win. So that's why I was having $300, $600, $900 days. And y'all, the truth is anybody can do this. Anybody. I don't care what your background is. I don't care what your past is. I don't care if you got 0 followers on all social media platforms. I don't care if you're not tech savvy. I don't care if you don't know how to do shit online, right? I don't care. Like, if you have a proven system and somebody telling you what to do step by step, if you can like follow directions, if you're coachable, if you have a cell phone, if you have Wi-Fi and you have access to a free social media platform, you can do this. So if you're watching this video right now and you're tired of feeling stuck and you're tired of watching other people win, you're tired of sitting on the sidelines, I just want to let you know that you can do this too. I'm going to be dropping weekly videos breaking down digital marketing, automations, how to make daily pay, the whole 9. So make sure that if you want to see more videos like this, you subscribe, you like the video, hit the bell, and I'm going to be dropping more videos like this weekly. And if you're ready to get started right now, I'm putting a link to the exact same blueprint that helped me go from laid off to making $900 per sale through digital marketing and automations. Just hit that link in the description. It's going to take you right to my to my funnel, guys. Just make sure you put in your best email, your best phone number, so you don't miss any emails by me. I'm going to send you the free blueprint. It's 10K, how to make 10K in 30 days. It's a downloadable thing. If you don't see it, make sure you check your spam or your promotion, and make sure you move my emails to your main inbox so you don't miss any emails from me. All right. Till the next video, I'll holler at y'all later. Mr. Grinder Star. Peace.